Do you ever find yourself daydreaming about that perfect espresso or creamy cappuccino from your favorite coffee shop? The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista is here to make those dreams a reality, right in the comfort of your home. Say goodbye to the daily coffee shop rush and hello to the world of crafting delectable, rich, and robust coffeehouse-quality beverages. In this review, we're diving deep into the features, benefits, and experience that this espresso maker brings to your kitchen. If you're interested in learning more about the Mr. Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino machine, please click on the link in the description below. Unlock bold flavors with the power of 15 bar pressure. Ever wonder how cafes achieve that powerful punch of flavor in their espressos and lattes? The secret lies in the pressure. The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista features an electric 15 bar pump that harnesses the force needed to extract those bold and rich flavors from your coffee grounds. With this machine, you're not just making coffee, you're creating a masterpiece of taste. Barista-style creations at your fingertips. You don't need barista training to create professional-grade coffee beverages anymore. The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista is designed with simplicity in mind, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced coffee enthusiasts. The one-touch control panel lets you effortlessly choose between single or double shots for your espresso, cappuccino, or latte. It's like having a coffee expert in your kitchen. Perfectly frothed milk. Every time, one of the hallmarks of a great cappuccino or latte is the velvety milk foam that sits atop the rich espresso. The Cafe Barista takes the guesswork out of frothing milk. The automatic frothing feature transforms milk into creamy froth for your cappuccino or latte selections. Plus, with an adjustable control knob, you can tailor the frothiness to your exact preference. It's like having a personal milk frother at your service. Inspire your inner barista with the included recipe book. Are you ready to take your coffee creations to the next level? The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista comes with a recipe book that's bursting with ideas to inspire your inner barista. Discover new flavors, experiment with ingredients, and unleash your creativity as you whip up impressive coffee drinks that will leave your taste buds dancing. Easy to use, easy to clean. Your coffee experience shouldn't be marred by complicated setups and messy cleanup. The Cafe Barista keeps things simple and hassle-free. Just pick your filter, choose your grounds, fill the removable water reservoir, and press a button to brew. And when you're done, the removable water reservoir makes cleaning a breeze. No more struggling with a cumbersome machine. The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista isn't just an espresso maker, it's an invitation to embark on a coffee adventure. It's your ticket to creating cafe-worthy beverages that will amaze your friends, delight your family, and satisfy your cravings, all without stepping out of your home. Say goodbye to long lines and overpriced drinks. Say hello to the Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista, where every cup is a masterpiece waiting to be savored. Whether you're a coffee newbie or a seasoned pro, this machine is ready to be your partner in coffee exploration. Experience the joy of crafting your favorite coffeehouse treats right at home. Your journey to coffee greatness begins now. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.